it's Andrea Burton, aka Sunbelt Finance, aka Kiki, aka Mrs. Moore. Well, this is probably the first time I've ever been on YouTube and record my own video. So I am 15. I'm from Bena Vista, Georgia. Well, really, I'm originated from Atlanta, but I live in Bena Vista. So I have an okay voice. Some people say it's alright. I got on YouTube to record myself singing so I can get hits and see how far I go with my life. I'm a single chick. I don't do drama. You can find me on Facebook as Andrea Sunbelt Finance Burton. You can find me on Twitter as Loving Little Twitch. You can find me on Ustream as Kiki95. You can find me anywhere on the internet. Just type in Kiki, alright? And my last name is Burton. KeeKeeBurton. The next video you will be getting from me is a singing video. I am going to start off with singing. If you don't like my voice, boo-hoo, I don't care. This is like what I like to do in my spare time. I was depressed yesterday because the twist called my phone and I was at the park. I was at the park because I was supposed to get a fine yesterday with this girl. You know, she called my phone with the beef about a dude that I broke up with 3 years ago. Don't care. You text my phone, yes, I'm gonna fight you. Beef or no beef. Yes, people would have thought it was over the boy. Oh well, you would have thought it was boy, but I was gonna beat her ass. So I'm gonna make a video. So bye bye. How do I stop this?